Ostrichthys. What is that ostrichthys? Chondrichthyes and ostrichthys. Ostria means ostia means bone. These are containing the true bone. The skeleton is made up of the true bone. So that is known as a chondrichthyes. Sorry, ostrichthys. So these ostrichthys are the most of the ostrich, not 100%. The majority of the individuals are freshwater forms. So the ostrichthys are freshwater forms, and these contain two skeletal, endoskeletal and exoskeletal. Endoskeletal is made up of the ostia. Exoskeletal is made up of this. Ostrichthys are known as the skeleton. The endoskeleton is made up of which one? True ostia, true bone. So these are introducing into ostrichthys. The ostrichthys are freshwater forms. Freshwater forms are freshwater fishes. Do you know any examples of the freshwater fishes? Anybody? What is that? I will explain. What is that? Katla, Lobiorohita, Syrphanus murugela, Syrphanus carpio. The more number of the individuals are freshwater forms. What is that? Katla, Lobiorohita, Syrphanus murugela, Syrphanus carpio. So these are freshwater forms. Okay. The body, first one, the habitation is completed. The habit is, these are also carnivorous in nature. We know that carnivorous in nature, we know that. Yes, the body is distinguished into head, trunk and tail. So same marine forms are also containing head, trunk and tail. The body distinguished into head, trunk and tail. So the body is covered by what is that? Outermost covering membrane or outermost covering, what is scales are there. Outermost, the body covered by scales. Body is, note down everyone, covered by scales. Which type of scales are there? The body is covered by all different type of scales. So what are they? Placoid, cycloid, ctenoid, cosmoid and guanoid. There is a containing all type of scales. What are the first one? Placoid type of scales. The body is covered by placoid type. Some forms are completely, the anterior, the head, the below of the head, the trunk is covered by the placoid. The ventral region is covered by the cycloid. The dorsal region is covered by the ctenoid. The tail region is covered by the guanoid, like that. Placoid, guanoid, cycloid, ctenoid and cosmoid. This type of, but only marine water fishes are only covered by placoid type of the scales. Clear? So this body containing the locomotory organs are, what are the locomotory organs are? Fins. All fins, 7 different type of fins are present. We know that, yes. Very, very important. Air bladder is present. Air bladder is present in this form. Here, for floating on surface of the water, Clear? Yes. Air bladder is present. What are they? Locomotion. Okay. Air bladder is present. Yes. What are they? Blood is nothing but the urea is completely absent in bloodstream. Urea is absent in bloodstream of freshwater forms. The urea is completely absent in freshwater forms. Next one, the caudal fin. The caudal fin is homocerous fin. Homocerous fin. What is the homocerous? The fin, it is have a one of the depression, nothing but that this is completely bifurcated into two halves, but they are equally. Okay, these are consistent of more number of the scales. Okay, so these are the body containing the caudal region containing, what are they? Homocerous caudal fin. Homo means similar. Homo means similar. Cerous means a division, depression. Cerous means depression. Cerous fin. Homocerous fin. This is containing similar depressions are there in either side of the fin. That is called homocerous. Okay, homocerous. What is that? Air bladder, urea, and caudal fins are there. Next one, what I am discussing? Yes, reproduction. So these are unisexual form, but these are lacking of the capillary organs. The male and females are absence of lacking. The males are lacking of the capillary organ. Very, very important. The freshwater fishes are lacking of the capillary organ. The marine water fishes are only presence of capillary organ. Why? Because the marine waters are shown internal fertilization. The freshwaters are only doing external fertilization. There is no involvement. There is no using of the capillary organ for the reproduction. If during excitation by the hippocampus, so these are releasing of the more number of the sperm into outside of the body and ovums. Eggs. So there is no involvement, there is not together. So there is a releasing from their what is the genital aperture. So releasing the outside of the body. There is a completely lacking of capillary organs in freshwater fishes. Unisexual, these are absence of capillary organs. This is one of the very important differentiation. Organs in freshwater fishes. Clear? So these are releasing of the eggs into outside of the body. So these are fertilization takes place in external fertilization. As well as external fertilization, the larva form is present. So nothing but these are called as a oviporous forms. So this is the information. This is the difference in between of the what is the cartilage and bony fishes. Cartilage fishes and bone. Ostrich is nothing but bony fishes. Okay. Now after this completion, now we are discussing. Next we are discussing difference. We are right. The difference in between of the what is the cartilage and bony fishes. Are you clear? Example. The examples of the what is the ostrich fish, bony fishes is Catla, Labiorohita, Hanus mrugela, Labiorohita, Sirhanus mrugela, Sirhanus carpio, Labiorohita, Sirhanus carpio, and Chenna punctata. So these are different type of the bony fishes.